It's Rob with the Big Green Egg here to talk about our covers, and this is cover D. Cover D takes care of the XL and the large in the custom islands that we have. This is the 49-inch for the XL and again the large, and it'll take care of that with this cover D. You just bought that new egg of yours, got it in an acacia table, a nest, maybe the module nest, and you don't want to get it dirty or in the elements? Well, we got you covered, literally. We got 10 new covers coming out this year, and some of them are great, from the Ventilated, weatherproof, universal fit. It'll fit everything that we have. It'll fit the integrated nest, the previous nest, the acacia tables. It'll also handle the modular nest, the expansion tables that go along with it, our custom islands. It covers all of those. Any combination you can think of, we have a cover for it. And this is the premium quality fabric that has the Big Green Egg logo in it as well. It's durable in extreme temperatures, so it's got you covered whether you're living in the south, rainy climates, snow, it doesn't matter. It'll take care of it. It's got an easy on and off handle that's usually over the top of the egg. It's also got a hook and loop system to help tighten it, whether you want to tighten up the sides around the tables, modular nests, things like that. It'll also fit if you have an egg with the side mates on it as well. I want to make sure I mention that. So we have, again, any combination can take care of it. And how do you take care of the cover? All you have to do is hand wash it and line dry it. So like I said, we got you covered.